Received this from a company called Lumary, and it is Wi-Fi smart curtain lights. Now this is super exciting, and as you can tell, I am in this festive mood here. So this one has to do with drapes, and I do have drapes right here, right over there. So I'm not going to get it, and it doesn't matter because we're not doing the drape one here. We're doing this light. Looks like you could download the Lumary app here, and you could pair it with your Alexa, your Google. It says diverse scenes here, so you have all kinds of different scenes as far as like fireworks, animal, word. There's all different kinds of scenes that you could do with this app to change what you're looking at through your curtains. Let's just cut right to it and go into the box, because I could talk about this box all day. The boxes are kind of cool looking. They're very colorful, and they make you want to buy them because they are pretty neat looking. But let's see what the product actually is, shall we? Okay, so here we go. We have your plug for safety. Pull that off. This is the brains to it. This is how you're going to control it with your remote, or if you want to manually push these buttons, or if you download the Lumary app on your Android or your iPhone, you can control it all through the brains of this thing right here. Okay, and then you got your power cord, which is pretty pretty durable, pretty strong. Put that out. And then here are the lights. And basically, we will install them, but I think they go over the curtain rod, dangle down, and then it's time to play. Oh, look at that. There's a remote for it. So obviously you have your iPhone and your Android, you can control it. You have the remote right here. And it's pretty cool because it has all kinds of symbols on it. So if you read the instructions, I'm sure it'll tell you exactly what all these things are. And that is exciting, and I think the kids are going to love this too. That's why it's going in one of their rooms. So here's the hardware. These will go on the ends. You pop them together here, and then it'll just weigh down all your lights. And then as far as hooking them, you'll run this through here. You'll pass these through. See, and then you're gonna snap this like that, and then you're gonna have a hook. The hook's gonna go, see? It'll be just like that. I'm not gonna snap it right now, but it'll be snapped. This runs through it, and then you're just gonna hang it on the, so plug it in. Ooh, look at that. Let's just mess with this right now. These are just a couple of features. Once they're hanging up on the drapes, you'll love it. So you have the remote here that controls actually multiple different features, which I kind of showed you inside. You can mess with the timer if you want to put it on for 3 hours before it shuts off. You can do so. 2 hours. You can bring it brighter or keep it lower. And yeah, there's all kinds of cool things on here. But if you want to see more in depth, you go to the Lumary app, and that definitely has a lot of things you can do. And you also could control it from anywhere, actually. So if you're at work and you want to turn them on or turn them off, you can do so. That's fun. I know it's kind of hard to see. This is fire, so people could think the house is on fire. Not a good joke. That's cool. I like that. So these are all the little like fireworks stuff. This is look at that, it's a spider. I hate spiders. Of course, it's the only thing Halloween and it's a spider. But you can do it like it's gonna come dropping down, as you can tell in the distance and on my phone. I don't like that, it creeps me out. So we're gonna change it. Oh, here we go, we got a little kitty going down, like an elevator or something. Oh, Slimer, that is cool, dude. I should leave that for Halloween or Christmas. Dang, I am getting eaten alive right now. Besides all the features you have and different cool designs you can make with that thing. You have a music section where you could put some music on and push play, and the lights behind you will dance. It has a schedule, so you can schedule timing on it. So if you want it to come on at 5:30 when it gets dark and go off at 10, you can do that. Create scenes. I'm liking the Slimer. As you can tell, I have a little arsenal of Lumary products around my house. It's growing, so this is the latest one, and it's cool because I can control all my lights that are Lumary all through this app. Kind of looks like Mega Man. What's cool about this is it has all different kinds of features, designs, so it's not necessarily just Christmas. So you could actually keep this up all year round and have cool little things like that. All right, guys, if you like this, see the link in the description, and I will see you guys later. Happy holidays and Happy New Year.